Let's talk about the top 5 mistakes that you shouldn't be doing if you are taking care of your body starting today. Number 1 is not to lift too heavy. Especially if you are a beginner, it is very important for you to strengthen yourself. The way you strengthen is not by initially throwing weights around. You have to engage the muscle groups. While lifting heavy, you're compromising on your form as well as so much stuff. For example, let's talk about bicep curl. If you are able to curl 10 pounds 12 times, and you are starting with that, try to do the same the second time, and the third time. If you're able to do the same with the same 10 pounds, that means it is time for you to increase the weight. Maybe go 12.5 and then drop from 12 reps to 10 reps. This is the right way to increase your strength, but you have to do it slowly. But if you do it too fast, you're gonna get hurt, and then you're gonna say the gym is not for me. I know a guy, when he was in his teens, he tried to overhead tricep press, and during that time, he hurt himself. Till date, I haven't seen him in the gym. How many times have you seen somebody who had a bad experience with a dog when they were a kid? You notice they don't let the dog come close to them. You know why? Because they had a bad experience and they don't want to come in contact with that anymore. So this is the same with the gym also. You don't want to get hurt, because that is going to keep you away from the gym for the rest of your life. Let's talk about the second mistake, which is nothing but following all these combo workouts that are designed by your favorite fitness influencers. You have to understand, whatever physiques that you're seeing on the internet nowadays, you cannot achieve them naturally. So when you see these people doing combo workouts, for example, shoulder pressing and then combining it with bicep curl, and then bending down and doing a back row. So all these fancy movements, I don't know where it started. Being a beginner, you don't need to go all crazy with those workouts. Just focus on simple muscle groups, push, pull, and your legs. That's it. You don't need to go fancy 3 combo workouts and all. Keep it simple. If you are getting into fitness so that you can have the physique of your favorite influencer, I don't want to break your heart, but it is what it is. So stick with the basics. Focus on muscle groups, try to isolate them rather than combo movements. Number 3 is going to the gym every day. If you are starting out, I won't recommend you to go to the gym every day, because initially you're just getting into it. You don't want to do that too often, because after a certain time, when you do the same thing again and again, you may not like it. You're not supposed to give the body everything that it needs in the beginning. Let it crave for it, and then you can slowly go to the gym every day. Trust me, I go to the gym every day. Does it mean that I have to lift every day? No. Some days I do cardio and then do a lot of stretching. So going to the gym every day and lifting weights is not a good idea. You can combine it anyhow with some cardio and a lot of stretching, also called as active recovery day. Number 4, guys, is buying expensive supplements. I know people want to buy expensive pre-workout, micronized creatine, high quality protein, all these popular supplements. You don't need fancy protein powder. You can stick with the basic one because you are new. And if you drink too much protein in the beginning, it's just getting wasted because your muscles are not developed. You don't need micronized creatine. You can use regular creatine. And also there's so many fancy products. Remember, everybody is trying to rob you and get your money. You have to be careful. You have to be smart. Try to focus on building your natural strength rather than your strength with the influence of caffeine and all that crazy stuff. And the 5th mistake that I don't want you to do for the rest of your life is taking steroids. Steroids, by far, are the worst thing for your body. No matter if you're competing or you're just doing it so that you can be the biggest dude in your gym, it is not worth it. I've known so many people that have done it and are regretting. It is the biggest risk on your body, and the side effects from that, they're definitely not worth the looks. You can be the biggest dude in your gym just by being natural, by following a proper diet plan, and also being consistent. We have known so many people that are big and cannot lift heavy weights, or if they do, they just start breathing as if something happened so fast. And I've known people who are small and have lifted so heavy. So you want to be moderate and strong, or big and get tired after every set. All up to you. If you find this information helpful, please hit the like and subscribe the channel. Take care, guys. And also, if you need my help in creating a program and a diet plan for you, please contact me. Take care, guys. Over and out.